Honor has officially unveiled its new GT series smartphone. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Honor GT White variant has a dual tone design equipped with a flat edges. The rectangular rear camera setup includes dual camera and a dual tone flash with a permanent red GT logo at the bottom right corner. The bottom edge of the phone has a speaker, a USB Type-C port, a microphone, and a SIM slot. The design is sleek and robust, hinting at a device focused on high performance and gaming, offering excellent value for money. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and to give more power to this phone, there will be an octa-core processor. And for base graphics, there will be GPU of Adreno 740. It features a 1.5K OLED flat screen. There will be a big battery with support of 100-watt fast charging. The GT series will be competitive against similar models from other brands. The GT series will showcase unique design concepts tailored for the AI era. The series is positioned as aimed at young users eager to experience the latest advancement. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.